discussing about the structure of chloroplast and mechanism of photosynthesis. So already we discussed the structure of chloroplast. Page number 10. And there you see TS of leaf. Come on, tell me. TS of transverse section of leaf. Suppose if you take the transverse section of leaf and we see the presence of different tissue, leaf tissue, and in that tissue we see the presence of what? This is an organelle, chloroplast. This is called chloroplast. And this is outer membrane, and this is the second membrane, and this is the inner membrane. This is inner membrane. This is inner membrane. Chloroplast consists of 3 membranes, but not 2. But not 2. It consists of 3 membranes. How many membranes?
3 membranes.
How many membranes are present in chloroplast? 3 membranes are present. And here third membrane. This is third membrane. It forms, and it is called thylakoid. Come on, tell me.
Thylakoid.
And this is thylakoid. Thylakoid. There you see stroma thylakoid, grana thylakoid, and these thylakoids they form stacks, and they are arranged. They are piled one above the other, so they are called granum. Come on, tell me.
Granum.
So this is the one granum. This is another granum. Like that you see many grana are present. Singular granum, plural grana. Again you see, and these are the grana, and again you see the fluid material, intermediary fluid material that is present in the chloroplast is called stroma. What is called? Stroma. Stroma consists of what? Enzymes and some of the substances which are required for preparation of food. Stroma. This is called stroma. Stroma. And this is called starch grain. Starch grains. So this is a brief description about chloroplast. And this is thylakoid. In this thylakoid, we can see the presence of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, and they are pigmented molecule. Chlorophyll A is blue green, chlorophyll B is yellow green, and then you see 250 to 400 chlorophylls they organize together form a reaction center, and these reaction centers are useful for harvesting of sunlight. They harvest the sunlight. Chlorophylls are present in the lumen of thylakoid. Listen carefully. Lumen, this is the space. In the space you see the presence of what? Pigmented molecule. And that is brief description about what? Chloroplast. Children, listen. Chloroplast. Last. This is called chloroplast. Okay. And next you see. Now I am telling you mechanism of photosynthesis. Page number 11. Page number 11. There you see heading mechanism of photosynthesis. And page number 10 you see, bottom you see, and many stages take place during photosynthesis. And what are they? 1, 2, 3 and ABC. 1, 2, 3. Here conversion of radiant energy to chemical energy, or light energy to chemical energy, and splitting of water molecule. Next is reduction of carbon to carbohydrate. So 3 steps take place. 3 steps are taking place for the in photosynthesis. Okay, now I am telling you. Listen carefully, all of you. So this is structure of chloroplast. And mechanism of photosynthesis, page number 11. It is of 2 types. Light reactions, dark reactions. Light dependent and light independent. Photochemical or biosynthetic phase. All of them are same. Light reaction, photochemical phase same. And dark reaction or biosynthetic phase same. Here you see, I am telling you first step, step 1, that is light reaction. In step 1, step 2, 2 reaction takes place in light reaction. In light reaction, light is used. So chloroplast consists of chlorophylls, and these pigmented molecules they absorb light energy, sunlight, and sunlight consists of rays, and rays consists of photon. Photon is the smallest unit of energy that is present in sunlight, and these photons are absorbed by pigmented molecule, chlorophyll pigmented molecule, chlorophyll pigmented molecule. When these energy molecules are absorbed by the chlorophyll molecule and they are get activated and they get what energy, and that energy is useful for, here what is present, water, here water is present, and that energy is useful for what, splitting the water molecule to H plus and OH minus and O2. O2 is oxygen. O2 is oxygen. So in this way, splitting the water molecule takes place after activation of chlorophyll molecule. In step 1, you see what reaction takes place. Chlorophyll, they absorb the sunlight. Sunlight consists of photons, and they are get activated, and they act on water, and water is splitting up into H plus and OH and oxygen. Oxygen is reduced to the atmosphere through stomata. So that reaction we are taking, and that oxygen we are breathing, and that oxygen is breathing by all living organisms, including plants also. Here it is a waste gas. Here is a waste gas. So I told you step 1. Step 1. In step 1, what are released? Hydrogens, OH minus, and also oxygen. And now I am telling you, and these reactions were discovered by Robert Hill. These reactions were discovered by Robert Hill. So that is the reason these reactions are called as Hill reaction. Come on, tell me.
Hill
reaction. So in Hill reaction, what are produced? Water molecules split, and thereby H plus and OH and also oxygen released. So these are the steps that take place in Hill reaction, Robert Hill reaction. Next, step 2 I am telling. So here you see in step 2, here in what, chloroplast, NADP is present, a compound, and ADP is present, a compound. So these are the molecules, and these molecules, these compounds, they take hydrogens, which are released during photolysis, and thereby NADP is reduced to NADPH. ADP is reduced to ATP. These are energy molecules. NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen phosphate, and ATP means adenosine triphosphate molecule. In step 2, these are the energy molecule formed. Okay? In step 2, what are formed? Energy molecules are formed. In step, what is released? Oxygen, hydrogen, OH minus are released by means of splitting of water molecules. Those reactions are called as Robert Hill reaction. Robert Hill discovered. That is the reason these reactions are called as Robert Hill reaction. So I told you 2 steps that take place in light reaction. Step 1, step 2. And this reaction takes place only in thylakoid membrane, in grana, in granum, like that, grana, plural. In grana, what reaction takes place? Light reaction takes place. Okay. So at the end of light reaction, what are released? What are released here? NADP are produced, ATP are produced, energy molecule, and oxygen is released, and also water is also formed, and this is brief description about light reaction or photochemical reaction. Next, so energy molecules are formed, NADP, ATP. Again, in dark reaction means does not mean this reaction takes place in dark. So this reaction does not require what? Light. Light is not required. So in the absence of light also, second step takes place. That is dark reaction. In dark reaction. So here you see, this is the stroma. This is stroma. Stroma consists of what? Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. So it is a 5-carbon compound. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate is present. Many are present. So these are with 5 carbons. Again, in dark reaction takes place in stroma. Light reaction takes place in
grana.
Dark reaction takes place in
Stroma.
In stroma, some of the what materials are present, and some of the substances are present. And here what takes place? Formation of food takes place. Glucose molecules form. Food molecules are prepared. And how it is prepared? You know stomata. Stomata are openings and these are useful for exchange of gases. So carbon dioxide is entered to the chloroplast through stomata. And when carbon dioxide, CO2 carbon dioxide. So when carbon dioxide enters the chloroplast. So one carbon that is present in carbon dioxide is utilized or attached to the reverse 1,5 dispersed. Then you see a 6 carbon is formed. 5 plus 1. A 6 carbon compound is formed. And that is nothing but, come on tell me, C6H12O6. That is nothing but what? Glucose. In this way, glucose molecules are produced. In dark reaction, what is formed? Food is formed. And food is the form of glucose. So this is glucose. Later glucose is converted to starch or cellulose. And it is transported to different parts of the plant body. And this is dark reaction. So dark reaction takes place in stroma. By taking carbon present in the carbon dioxide. The reverse 1,5 dispersed is present in the stroma. And for these reactions, and these energy molecules are required. What are required? NADP and ATP. And these energy molecules, in the presence of energy molecule, and glucose is formed. A 6 carbon compound is formed. And that is called C6H12O6. All of you open your textbook. Page number 3, there you see photosynthesis equation. Page number 3, top. Come on, read. 6CO2 plus 1H2O, right and chlorophyll, C6H12O6. 6H2O, O2. That is our equation for photosynthesis. So here I told you what is chloroplast, what is the structure of chloroplast, and what are the steps that take place during photosynthesis. Light dependent and also light independent. Photochemical or dark reaction. So these reactions take place. After dark reaction, we see in the plant food is formed. That is C6H12O6. Now I am asking a few questions. Let's be ready. Say freely. Don't fear. Here, what is the diagram I draw? Green board. That is chloroplast. Yes, excellent. TS of chloroplast. Where does light reaction take place in chloroplast? Grana. Come on, say loud. Grana. Light reaction takes place in grana. Where does dark reaction takes place in chloroplast?
Stroma. In stroma.
Yes, dark reaction takes place in
Stroma.
Excellent. So you understood well about the structure of chloroplast and also steps that are involved in light reaction and also in dark reaction. So at the end of the dark reaction, what is formed in the chloroplast? Glucose. That is food, and that food we are eating. That food we are eating. So we are eating the food of our plant, and directly we are depending. Sometimes, for example, you are eating meat. For example, you are eating chicken. Chicken is nothing but chicken. They are also eating what? Grain, food, and that is plant food. So directly or indirectly, we are depending on plant. So that is the reason this reaction and photosynthesis is the most important life process. Okay? Thank you. Okay.